Hi, I'm Nicole Faber, the Outreach and Recruitment Manager at Lower Columbia College. In today's video, I'll be sharing a lot of information and updates, but before I get to that, I'd like to take you on a quick tour to talk about what makes LCC the smart choice. Spanning almost 39 acres, Lower Columbia College is located in the heart of Longview, Washington. The campus features 26 buildings with state-of-the-art technology and resources. You'll get to see some of the beauty of our campus in this video, but there is so much more. So I encourage anyone watching to contact LCC's outreach team to schedule a virtual tour. With a 19-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio and more than 70 degree and certificate programs in a variety of career pathways, LCC has something for everyone. If you need academic support, the Library and Learning Commons is where you'll find it. Free tutoring, friendly and knowledgeable librarians, and a place to connect with Transfer University partners makes this the most visited building on campus. There's more to student success than getting good grades, and LCC's campus incorporates resources for our students' health and well-being, including counselors, student-led social programming, and an exceptional fitness facility. LCC's career and technical programs are led by staff and faculty who are experts in their respective fields. In fact, our welding program has been commissioned by the City of Longview to create art for the community. This is just one of many examples of how the community looks to LCC for highly qualified staff, students, and alumni to get the job done. The impact of COVID-19 has inspired innovation, and as we strive to meet the needs of students, many classes offered in the fall 2020 quarter will take place in some kind of virtual and online format. However, LCC is also offering some hybrid courses, a combination of virtual learning and in-person class experience. And when it comes to admissions at LCC, you're in. With no fees or essay requirements, the application takes about 30 minutes to complete. If a prospective student has any questions or needs help to get started, they have access to the one-stop center. There's even a Zoom room where the click of a button leads you to virtual one-on-one help. LCC proudly advocates for financial aid completion, especially with the Washington College Grant making more money available for post-secondary education, including technical degrees and certificates. When it comes to financial aid applications, we want you to remember these key deadlines. If you're a student, parent, teacher, or counselor and would like some extra financial aid application support, let us know. We can help. The LCC Outreach and Recruitment Team is made up of staff members and student ambassadors. We are here to help, and we're getting creative. If you'd like to learn more about how LCC can help you achieve student success, or you'd like to invite an LCC Outreach team member into your classroom, contact us here. We'll meet you where you are, virtually.